I recently stumbled upon a workflow that completely transforms how we turn long-form videos into high-end, stylized short clips. We are talking about leveraging Vizard's latest features to chop, style, and polish content without the usual headache of manual editing. It's not just about simple cuts. It's about maintaining the energy of your original footage while giving it a fresh, platform-native aesthetic. I spent a few days testing different approaches, and I finally landed on a specific process that acts as the absolute sweet spot for creators. If you are already using Vizard as your core clip engine, this is going to save you massive amounts of time. Many creators miss a few key steps in the process, which often leads to outputs that look blurry, low quality, or just plain weird. I have broken down a clear, repeatable process that combines Vizard's auto-editing power with a simple, effective style guidance loop. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to generate eye-catching clips without spending hours hacking away at a timeline. First, open up Vizard and let the platform scan your long-form video to identify those high-value, viral potential sections. The AI is excellent at picking up emotional spikes, jokes, and big reveals, so stop guessing and let the machine handle the heavy lifting. The secret sauce here is keeping your clips under 10 seconds for style transfers, as this length keeps the stylistic transformation coherent. If Vizard misses the exact moment you want, you can easily tweak the in and out points to get the pacing just right. Now, perform this simple step. Export a single start frame from your clip and save it locally on your machine. We are going to use this image as a visual anchor to guide the style transformation, ensuring the AI knows the composition we want. Take that frame and upload it to your favorite image generation or prompt-based editor to experiment with different looks. Try using specific terms like neon cyberpunk, film noir, or pastel vaporwave to shift the overall mood of your shot. The goal is to produce a reference image that captures the specific lighting and color palette you want for your final video. Once you find a variation you love, download it, because this is going to be your guiding star for the rest of the process. Head back to Vizard, upload that generated image as your style reference, and adjust the strength slider. I highly recommend starting at 50%, as this creates a perfect blend that keeps the motion natural while applying the new aesthetic. Go ahead and hit generate, and feel free to step away for a few minutes while the magic happens in the background. If you see a failed flag, don't panic. As these systems sometimes cue weirdly, just give it a moment to finish on its own. In my tests, I used a simple orbit shot of a car, and the result looked like a professional, high-budget commercial. Even with more complex shots like walking through a house, the AI did a stellar job keeping my face and movements recognizable. This isn't about creating broken, glitchy filters. It's about making a purposeful, aesthetic choice that enhances your message. For those worried about personality, my test clip reading natural dialogue proved that your face stays clear and relatable. Vizard's real advantage is how it handles the clip selection, so you aren't wasting hours searching for the right moments to restyle. Many other tools force you to deal with very short duration caps, but this workflow allows you to maintain consistency across longer, meaningful clips. With Vizard, you get to the trinity of creator needs: smart auto-editing, scheduling automation, and a central content calendar. This combination means you aren't just making a single lucky video, you are building a sustainable content factory. Remember to keep those clips in the 8 to 12 second sweet spot for the best stylistic results. Always prioritize a clear, well-lit start frame to ensure your style reference provides the best possible input for the AI. Don't be afraid to adjust the strength slider based on how dramatic you want your new aesthetic to look. If the system glitches, practice a bit of patience instead of requeuing, as the background processing often finishes successfully. Use the built-in captioning tools to add context, which really helps your titles perform better across social algorithms. This approach opens up doors for cinematic promotional clips, split testing different aesthetics, or turning long streams into themed campaigns. I would definitely recommend this as a primary workflow when you want to freshen up your visual content without the need for a reshoot. Shout out to the teams working on these tools for turning what used to be a full day of editing into just a few smart steps. If you want to follow this exact process, hit the link below, upload your footage, and see how fast you can get into this rhythm. Drop a comment letting me know which aesthetic you tried and what platform you posted to, because I am genuinely curious. I'll keep testing new variations and share anything else that tightens up this flow even further for you guys. Thanks for hanging out, and I cannot wait to see what kind of stylized content you start putting out into the world.